Verisend identifies the good mail in HCL Notes. Verisend is a display panel in the top of all Notes email messages. Our motto is look for the logo. Verisend works with HCL Notes versions 9, 10, 11, and 12. Here we show an internal sender. Our green display panel makes it clear that this is good mail from an internal sender. Because Verisend does not modify the subject or body of the message, it won't be seen in replies or sent back to the sender. This is a really nice, clean design. Next, we will examine a brand name sender, Amazon, which is often spoofed in phishing attacks. Verisend shows the Amazon logo in the display panel, so you can be sure this message is from Amazon 100%. Here is an email that says OneDrive. But is it really? Verisend doesn't show any Microsoft logo. In fact, it shows a yellow caution panel. Do not trust this email. If you click on a link here, you could load a virus like CryptoLocker, and the results could be disastrous for yourself and your organization. Here is a message that pretends to be from myself, but of course I didn't send it, and Verisend correctly marks it as phishing with a red display panel. Here is a message from someone that I know. The green checkmark verifies that the sender listed is a good sender. I can add this person to my personal contacts and they will appear as a known sender with a green panel from now on. This message is from someone not in my contacts, but Verisend checks my sent folder and finds many messages sent to this sender, so they show up again as a known sender. Here's an email with a scary title, "You've reset your password," from HCL. But we see the logo HCL in the panel, so we can be confident 100% that it's from HCL and we can trust the message. We maintain an extensive library of brand senders to clearly identify the good mail in the Verisend display panel. Look for the logo to find the good mail.